Hello everyone, it's Julie from Camelia Crafts Designs. Welcome and welcome back. I'm here today with an unboxing and it is the Your Creative Studio October subscription box. I'll open it straight away, get rid of that bright white label. So yeah, this is how it comes to you. And it's full of gorgeous goodies. I've not opened mine yet, but I had to peek at a couple of other people's unboxings, so I do have a bit of an idea what's in it, but I'm still giddy. So it's fairy themed this month, and look at this gorgeous card. I mean, even the thank you card can be used, can't it? It's beautiful. And they always come. I knew my label would peel off easier this time. I had to rip it last time. Ooh, in fact, let's get rid of box altogether. Let's lift that out. Yeah, I'll pop them back in boxes. We've looked through them then. So yeah, it comes in this lovely paper. Gorgeous butterflies, very vintage theme, harp. Oh, yummy. So every little bit of it's usable. Right, what we've got in it. I hope my plastic's not glaring because it is a nighttime video and I'm filming this. Let's put them to one side. They're stamps, they're best bits. Right, what have we got? So now this is one at ones I sneaky peeked at and looked at, so I know what it is. And it's a little book, and these are all teeny tiny vellum pages. How gorgeous are they? They're going to come in handy for so many little things. Make some lovely little pocket window cards. So we've got that. Then we have this. I've not opened this. I just looked in top. It's a note. Oh, I thought this were journal cards. It's a notebook. Oh wow. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, you wouldn't want to write on that, would you? You just would not want to write on that. It's too nice. I'm still on with my lighting. Are they? Yeah, they are all the same. Oh no, they're not all the same. Oh, it's like you get so many of one design, then it changes to another design. So we've got that little lady fairy, little boy. And there's plenty in it. Then we've got that other cute little girl. So what is the 3 designs? Yeah, we've got 3 different designs. Does it tell you how many pages? No, but I'm guessing there's perhaps about 40 there, perhaps 30, 40 in 3 designs. That's lovely. What else we got? These probably, it could be journal cards, they could be vellum, I'm really not sure. Let's have a look, see. Yeah, these are labels. These are self-adhesive. Oh, wow. Got maps. Oh, these are Christmassy. Oh, there's a few little Christmassy bits in. I've not done anything Christmassy yet this year. I'm the kind of person who starts thinking about Christmas week before. Oh, these are lovely. So you could just stick the whole label on a journal card, done and dusted. So we've got angels as well as fairies. Vintage themes. Oh, I like that one. That is nice. So that's that. What's this one? Where's the opener on that one? There it is. Oh, these are lovely. Let's take a few out. Again, more fairies. These could be journal cards done and dusted. You could even use that on the front. You could stamp the word journal or notes or anything there. You could make little notebooks or little mini journals. They'd be ideal for gifts. Or as I think I'll probably do, make a few up to pop in with my Etsy orders. What have we got here then? I do love something that shakes and rattles. Let's tip it out. Tip it, tip it. Don't even go there. Tip it, tip it. If you're a Friends fan, you know what I'm referring to. If you're not, you'll think, what is she on about again? Oh, these are right good. The washi stickers. Random shapes. That's good. Do you know if you're doing a bit of collage? Some are random. Oh, that's a little mushroom like a postcard. We've got a rose. Little random. Oh, I love little bits of randomness for journaling. There's loads. Oh, I do like these. I've not seen any like this before. That's something a little bit different. More mushrooms. Me likey. Fairies and mushrooms just go together, don't they? Like a horse and carriage. Even though they don't rhyme. Like love and marriage do. No, I won't burst into song. Oh, I like that. This has given me an idea for some of the larger washi stickers I've got that I'm not too keen on. I could cut them up into pieces, or I've never tried die cutting them. That's an idea. And then we've got these huge... Oh, these are vellum. That's a vellum panel. Oh, some are paper. Oh, I do like these. Very interesting little pack. I'm liking these boxes. They're full of the kind of things that, I don't know, I probably would not buy had I seen them individually. But when the time and trouble has been taken to collate them all into a box like this, together they just make gorgeousness. But I wouldn't have put these, I wouldn't put them together. Oh, that's lovely. These, oh, the stickers. Yeah, they're little stickers. Oh, I like. Then we've got some paper. I think that's just paper this time, but I could be wrong. It could be adhesive. I think it's paper. Oh, that one's lovely. My favourite. Pinks and roses. I do like my pinks and my roses. Right, what else we got? Oh, I haven't shown you this one yet. What's this? These look like faux tickets. Oh, yeah. Oh, you could just cut pieces off that. Look, just a section would be ideal on something. Or the whole thing. You've got quite a chompy little book full of those. How unusual. I've gone through that, yeah. Right, now, ooh, this is always my favourite bit. The stamps. And it's looking like we've got 3 stamps and a washi again. Love me some washi tape. Let's see if I can get... I see other people open these and these stickers peel off right easy. And then I have trouble. But I were always a destructive child. My mum said so. Let's have a look, see. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's got fairies on it. Vintage fairy washi. Let's give you a look at that. Got no nails today. Don't you just love that noise? Listen. I'm not into these ASMR videos, but I like that noise. Vintage fairy washi. I love that. It's all the same fairies that are on the other bits of ephemera in this pack. Gorgeousness. Right, now the best bits. The stamps. Oh, I haven't opened that. Oh, look at that. That's a cling stamp. Are they fairies or angels? I'm not sure if they're fairies or angels. They look like angels with fairy wings. So, bit of both there. Can you see? We've not got any glare, have we? Yeah, I love that. And... oh, wow, this says cling stamp, but it's on a wooden block. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can see that. I was tempted to stamp these so you could see the images, but you don't need me to. You can see it on the wooden block. She is gorgeous. Oh, and I do like these grey rubber ones. They stamp really, really well. This one says cling stamp, but I'm feeling it, and this also feels like it could be on a wooden block. Oh, and it is. Oh wow, it's the little boy fairy. The same one from the other ephemera. So we've got the little girl and the little boy. Beautiful stamps. Oh, I do like them. So there we have it. A big box of absolute yumminess. And yeah, I do have a few fairy projects planned. I've been promising fairies for months now and they've not arrived. Then when I found out we're getting this, I put it off even longer, and I'm so glad I did, because I'm really going to enjoy using some of these bits and bobs in the videos. So I really hope you enjoyed that. If you want one of these boxes, I will put all the links in the description box below for Your Creative Studio, and how you go about ordering a subscription or buying a one-off box, because both are available. And you will be seeing some more projects coming up using these. When I have made the projects, if you're not watching this video straight away, I will link the projects in the description below. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.